Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into FedEx Bill Pay. To log into FedEx Bill Pay, you'll need to access the billing online page for FedEx. So in order to do that, go ahead and launch open a preferred web browser and go to the URL box and type in fedex.com and search. This will now take you to the official site for FedEx. Here, simply go ahead and click on the sign up or login button at the top right corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, click on View and Pay Bill. Now, you will end up in this page where you'll need to scroll down, and in order to pay or manage your FedEx billing online, you can log in using FedEx Express and FedEx Ground, or log into FedEx Freight. Select one of the login options and make sure to enter your credentials correct. Enter your user ID in the first text box and type in your account's password on the next. If you don't have an account yet, you can start off by creating a new user ID by clicking on Create a User ID at the top. If you don't remember your user ID or password, get help by clicking Forgot Your User ID or Password link. After filling in both of your credentials, click Log In, and you will then be able to log into FedEx Bill Pay. Now you will be able to access your FedEx billing information and make payments online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.